What is equity really? Most homeowners have it, but very few truly understand it. Equity is simple. It's what your home is worth today minus what you still owe. For example, if your home is worth $600,000 and you owe $400,000, then you have $200,000 in equity. Sounds great, right? But here's what most people miss. If that equity is just sitting there, it's not earning you a return. That's what investors call idle equity or dead equity. Equity only starts working when you use it, when you utilize it. You borrow against it and invest through your real estate projects yourself by holding or flipping properties or with experienced joint venture partners who brings time and expertise. Lend it to active investors, flippers who create real value and return capital, or sell, downsize, and redeploy the capital, or simply keep the cash. The key isn't what you choose, it's understanding this. Equity is a tool, not a trophy. Idle equity waits, working equity moves.